This reaction creates a bias against the research of a skeptical economist, which extends to traditional bibliometric rankings. So the answer is in the blank will symbolize the research against the traditional facts mentioned here. Skeptical also reflects the correct answers as a hint in the passage. Iconoclast and heterodox mean exactly that, with both words describing people which opinions run counter to established or traditional norms. Here, against is also a detour sign to verify the choice B and choice D as correct answer. Choice B and choice D. On the other hand, dogmatic and doctrinaire both mean the opposite, adhering to established principles, while synthesizing and integrative both refer to a willingness to bring together disparate points of view, which is not relevant as correct answers to fit the blank. So choice E, choice F, choice C, and choice A are to be eliminated. So the correct answers are choice D and choice B.